Hi everyone, it's Karen from Nightwear Ostomy Underwear. I'm here again with Lee from Tuscany Dreaming.
Hi!
Firstly, thank you for our amazing response last week for our turmeric French toast. And to Sonia, our official taste tester.
We had so much fun making the French toast for you last week.
We did.
And Karen has excitedly asked me to make something else today for you. So what we're going to do is we're going to do some beautiful homemade sausage rolls. Sausage rolls seem to be trending at the moment on the foodie channels, so I don't know what that's about. Last month it was toilet paper, this month it's sausage rolls, not really sure, but
there you go.
this is what we're going to do. And again, Karen's going to make it for you today.
Yes.
I'm just going to instruct her a little bit along the way.
Apparently I'm the new chef. So yesterday we went grocery shopping at our local fruit and produce and butcher in Paradise Point. We picked up some great sausages from
Porterhouse
Yes.
on Grice in Paradise Point. These are beautiful Dublin pork, sage and onion sausages. We're going to use the middle of these sausages as a base for our sausage rolls. They have a really nice flavour to them, and I think it's going to help our sausage rolls be the tastiest.
I've never made sausage rolls before, so you're in for a real treat.
Okay, so what we've talked about our lovely pork and sage sausages. We've got some onion here, parsley, here's some bacon, breadcrumbs. These are panko, is that how you say it?
Panko.
Panko. Salt, pepper, and eggs, and some ready-made puff pastry. We're just going to do ready-made today because it's a lot quicker. You can make your own pastry, of course. So away we go.
Okay, let's do
So
it.
what we're going to do, first we have to get the middle out of the sausages. This is the fun part.
Okay.
So you take a sausage, and what you're going to do is you're going to squeeze
Oh,
the middle into the bowl out of the skin.
have you done this before?
Are you feeling comfortable? or
No.
uncomfortable? You
Okay.
can break the skin and peel it off if that's easier for you.
Can you see that? You know, I've never thought about the texture of inside sausages before.
Last one.
Last
Now we're
sausage.
done. Squeeze it all out. Now we're going to add all the other ingredients. So you can put the onion in, the parsley, the bacon, throw it all in.
Okay, how much onion is this?
That's half a cup of onion, chopped very finely. Then we've got some finely chopped parsley, cup of chopped fine bacon. I've used quite fatty kind of bacon because it's just going to make the sausage rolls a bit more tasty. Breadcrumbs can go in. There's about a cup of breadcrumbs there. That's right, put those in. Then we've got salt. There's about a teaspoon of salt there. Murray River pink salt flakes. Cracked pepper. You can just use the amount that you like. And we're going to put in 1 egg.
Now, as you know, all of these ingredients are Ostomate friendly.
We have to mix it all together now. And the easiest way to do this, and the best way, is with your hands. You can use a fork, it just takes a bit
No
longer. So if it's just mixing it all together,
Let's get to it.
let's get to it. Oh, isn't that satisfying?
Interesting texture between my fingers.
We're going to mix it all up till it resembles a bit of a paste and that it's all kind of combined together nicely. You're doing such a good job. While that's happening, I'm just going to preheat the oven. Around 200 degrees for a fan-forced oven. Look at that, beautiful. One of our followers has just commented on the bowls. These are beautiful, made in Japan they are, from our favourite homeware store, Minimax. You can find those.
Okay,
That's done.
it's like a paste.
Okay, next step, we are going to take a knife and we're going to cut our pastry into 4 equal pieces. Straight down the middle and straight across again.
No fingers in sausage rolls. I've just cut that into 4.
So we're just going to separate that egg. We want the
Oh,
egg
is that
wash.
when you do the...
Yeah, yes. See how we go with this.
Are you ready? And I'm
then-
keeping the yolk in the shell.
Yes. What are you doing? Yep, that's it. Yeah, that's it. And put it back in the other way.
Oh, hang
Yeah,
on.
tip him in there, yeah. Got our pastry brush. We're just going to do a little bit along the top edge of each piece, like that. It's just going to glue it together when we roll them up. Just along the edge here
That's it.
of each piece. Okay, we're going to keep that egg because we're going to brush some more on top of our sausage rolls. So now you're going to spoon the mixture. You want to spoon it into about this area and try and keep it well compacted. Probably 3 in each one, probably.
Straight in the middle.
Yeah. And you want it sort of to be quite full. I'm just going to use my hands to shape it a little bit. That one.
We've got it looking
See
like
that?
that. Okay, so we've just completed the filling for our sausage rolls.
Okay, so now we're going to roll them up. So peel the pastry up, and we're just like tucking him into bed, just like putting a little blanket on a baby. Just like that.
This looks like a burrito.
Just leave the ends, because what will happen when it's cooking, the middle's going to expand a little bit, and if it gets too close to the edge, it'll all just ooze out.
Yeah. Okay.
So sort of push him with your hands as you're rolling him, and you definitely want that edge to be on the bottom, like that. Don't be shy to sort of push it down a bit too. I think I'm winning.
This is great pastry.
Oh, I love ready-made pastry. So easy to use.
Never worked with pastry.
Now I'm just going to get our tray. Now you can use a non-stick tray, is probably easiest for most people, but I don't actually have one. So I've just used my good old stainless steel tray, which I love, and I've just brushed some oil on the base so they don't stick. If you have a non-stick tray at home, it's the best to use at home. What we're going to do is we're just going to put them in to the tray, and we're going to space them a little bit because they will expand a bit.
Okay.
That should be enough. Yep.
This is a great size pan for this. So they are.
They're in. Now we're going to get a fork, and we're just going to just gently press the fork into the pastry a little bit, or you can do a few dots. Go for it. Very creative. She's so creative.
That's my favourite one.
Okay, now we're going to brush the top with some egg wash. Now the egg white will give the sausage rolls a lovely shine and make them cook nice and golden brown.
I love that I am learning to cook in front of all of you. All right.
And the final, we are going to sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. Now we did talk about some of you may not be able to have the sesame seeds, so just check with your doctor or health professional for our Ostomate friends. We did check it out, and some people have said they're perfectly fine with sesame seeds, others are not so fine. So just check that out before you put them on.
Okay. How's that?
Lovely.
Okay, I'm not sure if
They're
you can
all
see
ready
that,
to
but-
go in the oven. Now these will take about 25 to 30 minutes. Just keep an eye on them, and when they go nice and golden brown, you'll know when they're ready because you'll be able to see it. The sausage will actually bake in the oven quite quickly, so you don't have to worry about it coming out uncooked. It will be fine.
25 minutes in the oven.
We'll be back.
We will.
So here we are out of the oven, our beautiful golden tasty sausage rolls.
They smell divine.
I've just been resting for a little bit just to crunch up the base on a bit of a rack there to get the airflow underneath, and they're all ready to plate up for you, Karen.
Okay, let's do it. Here we go. I feel like I've been doing this for years. Okay, I'll show you this.
Beautiful. Yummy, can't wait to try them.
So for all of our Ostomy friends, we hope you enjoyed today. Homemade sausage rolls, especially for you. Add ingredients, take out what doesn't suit you and your stoma. It's a very simple recipe. Should suit everybody. Sonia, our official taste tester, they're on their way. Check out the testimonials from Sonia after she tries our homemade sausage rolls.
Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channels.
YouTube channel, Nightwear Eatery.
And Tuscany Dreaming.
That's right. Facebook page, Nightwear, and website, nightwear.com.au. Subscribe, like, comment, send us recipes. We'd love to hear from you.
We'll see you next time.
We sure will.
Bye.
Bye.